Tundra, let me know. I can't even see it. I have an iced coffee really. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and to my final vlog of Vlogmas. May I just say I didn't think we were going to make it. I do think we're going to make it now. Today is the 22nd. This is going up tomorrow on the 23rd, and my last video of Vlogmas is going to be my what I got for Christmas, which I do every single year. I was actually debating doing it this year because I do think it might be, like, I feel like sometimes it can come across as slightly tacky, but also, like, if you don't want to watch it, literally don't. It's as simple as that. If you want to watch my what I got for Christmas, great. If you don't, great. Just a quick rundown of what's going on today. It's gonna be a pretty productive day. I've already started off kind of by doing a couple things. First of all, I need to get all my Christmas shopping done. I need to buy Ashley's Christmas and birthday gift because her birthday's 3 days after Christmas. I know exactly what I'm getting her for her birthday. I already got her some of the alcohol because she's turning 21, so that's super cute. But I need to get like her gift part, and then I need to get her present. So Ashley, if you're watching this, please stop. You'll probably see your gift. Everyone else's gift I already have here. So tonight I'm actually going to share with you guys how I wrap, which seems like a super simple video, but I actually worked at a local boutique here in Richmond and we do complimentary gift wrapping, and so I have like multiple summers and multiple Christmases of gift wrapping experience professionally, technically. So if you guys want to see how I gift wrap, please watch till the end of the video because I have some tips and stuff to make sure like your bows look good and your wrapping paper looks good, how to get the nice edges. Like, I got you. I also need to work on some things for WUVA, just a couple little things, which I'm probably going to do right now just before I forget, and so that those I can like wait for responses while I'm doing other things and not like rush that. I also need to do laundry. I need to sell some of the things that I donated in my last video, which if you guys haven't seen those or are not caught up on Christmas, Vlogmas. If you're not caught up on Vlogmas, definitely check the link down below. I have a playlist of everything, and also subscribe if you're new. Hello. We're taking family pictures tonight for our New Year's card, which New Year's not Christmas card because we're never on time with anything. And then finally, after all that, I'm like really hesitant to do this because I don't want to sweat, but I really want to do a Christmas holiday kind of ride on the Peloton. There's like this Pentatonics one, and I just love their Christmas music, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna wrap gifts and do all that tonight. So definitely a packed day. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this vlog just kind of puts you in the Christmas spirit. Let's get into the day. You can definitely tell that my brothers and dad were the last ones in here because there's just like crap everywhere in the back. Sorry, I'm exposing them, but yeah, right now I am headed to go to Target. Was thinking about either going to the mall or to Target for Ashley just because for her birthday. Did I already mention what I'm getting her for her birthday? I don't know. For Christmas, I usually just like browse stuff at the mall and find something. Like her and I don't know what she does for me. I never have a plan for her really, usually. And this year, since it's like takes so long to get anything in the mail, I just wanted to like pick something up. And to be honest, I like looked online and I couldn't find anything for like a few days, and I really couldn't find anything. So I'm first gonna go to Target because I have to get her disposable camera there anyways, and she mentioned today lounge sets, and I was already thinking of getting her something along those lines, and I know Target has some super cute ones, so I'm gonna look there. I'm going to the farther Target because usually they're like just way better stocked with stuff, so hopefully they'll have that stuff there. If they don't have the lounge sets, I might have to go to the mall, but that's like would be great if I don't have to do that. The parking there is literally horrendous, so oh, my camera fell. But first I'm gonna go to Starbucks, get my holiday drink because it's so yummy. It's gonna put me in a good mood, and we're taking pictures at 4 now. I don't know if I've mentioned that, so I have to be back around 3-ish, 3:30 at the absolute latest, because I don't really need to redo my makeup. Like, I'll just like add, I just need to straighten my hair, so that takes like 30 minutes or so. So I'm running on limited time, but I'm gonna drive and focus on the road. Yeah, hello, I'm back from running my errands. My mom actually got me to pick up something too, and traffic was crazy. So that took almost an hour and a half for one errand. But let me show you guys what I got real quick. So I went to Target. I got Ashley's Christmas present. Kind of had this idea before, and she mentioned it today, and I was like, oh my god, this is perfect. I know exactly what to get. So I got her a matching set from Target because I know Target has some super cute ones, and it's just this little like crew neck black top. It's from the brand A New Day and it feels very like thick and luxurious. And these are the bottoms here. Just has the tie waist and it looks like this. Lighting's a little bit yellow, but this is like a bright white and this is like a cream. So that's kind of a good comparison for you guys. Kind of just feel like I've been running all over the place today. I listed one of the things on our local Facebook page and no one's really like bought it yet, so that's great. Currently straightening my hair for our pictures tonight and I'm kind of doing like my quick and dirty blowout look. If you guys saw that video a few videos back, how I do my blowout, it's definitely like not my usual content and I will say the views certainly reflected that. And I have a couple rollers here just for the top of my head to give me some volume because that's like what I struggle with when I straighten my hair. I brush out each section, spray it with my IGK Good Behavior Spray. This is literally the best heat protectant in the game. It makes my hair feel fantastic. And I use my Babyless Nano Titanium Straightener. This is also the best in the game. It makes my hair so sleek, so smooth. All dressed up, now where to go. I also was like really rushed to get ready and then no one was ready. Typical. So I'm just wearing my mom's top. I think it's from J. Crew. It's like a gray and honestly my makeup looks fire right now. I didn't even do like anything. Just put on highlighter on my nose and in my eyes and I feel like it just makes it pop. This lighting is bomb right now. When I'm wearing black jeans and these slip-on Steve Madden shoes because I literally only have sneakers here, so that's cool. Do we look the same height to you?
Close to it.
Maybe. Jack's got me beat though. That's unfortunate, but not from down there.
I don't remember because it's so old. Actually, these jeans are American Eagle.
Oh, she's trendy.
And my Fry boots.
Oh, okay.
And
I feel like your top's probably from Target.
Actually, I think it's Ian Taylor.
Oh.
If I'm not mistaken, Loft.
Okay. Okay. See?
Trendy.
Oh. Oh, Lord.
Okay, here we go.
Teddy. Family pictures are done. My hair looks honestly bomb right now, but I was just sitting here for the past honestly hour or so managing some crises. Not even crises, like that's so dramatic, but just like doing little things for WOOO. Nothing like that exciting, so I didn't record it. I just imported all the footage I have for this video so far, and now I'm sitting here at my desk and this is a mess. My room's a mess. I'm gonna take like 10 minutes and clean up. It's 5:55 right now. It's still working on my holiday drink. Quite good. The pictures we took were so cute, so I'm so excited to show you guys. I can download them tonight and put them like on the screen and whatever. And my mom and I got a couple cute ones. And I also tried out my brow gel on my mom. Looks so good. So now I think I've converted her.
Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition we celebrate. But oh, Christmas tree, more than anything.
Hello everyone. I don't know when the last time I vlogged was. It's currently 10:34. It was really cold. I got in bed. I was scrolling on TikTok. All of a sudden I was asleep and then all of a sudden I wake up. I'm like, oh, why did we take a nap right now? I don't know. Still gotta continue the vlog. We have new additions to the down here. We have gingerbread, more Kringles, more pumpkin bread, cookies, more Kringles. Can't keep up around here. Welcome to today's segment of how to wrap presents in the vlog. So let me just preface by saying there's many ways to wrap a gift and you trying your best is enough, but also it's time to level up. We're gonna learn how to wrap a present. There's many different ways to present something. For example, for my mom, I got her leggings from Lululemon. I'm probably not going to wrap this bag, although I could put this like in a box and wrap that, but I'll probably just like stick some tissue paper in it, do it up, tie these together, have a bow at the top, and this will be the presented gift. However, my dad, he works at home now and has since March, so I bought him, and Connor also bought him stuff for like work at home. So I bought him this keyboard and this mouse set. So this is a classic wrap the gift up in some paper. So I have a couple different options today. All of our Christmas paper was up in the attic and I did not feel like going to get it. So we're using our rustic paper. This is from IKEA. It's super cheap, and this is just like, we always have this in our craft closet. So there's wrapping paper, and then my secret weapon to fantastic wrapping is cellophane. This is a way to just level up your presents, especially things that you're presenting as a gift basket. Also, I have ribbon here. This probably wouldn't be my top choice. My favorite is like a big satin ribbon. Those are just so great, and that's what we used at work. This is what we had on hand, so make it work for what you have. When wrapping a gift, you want the good side facing down so it's against the flat sheet of paper, and have the back facing the side with all the seams and where you're folding everything. I'm doing the opposite, however, because my address is on the back and I really don't want to have to blur out this whole section of the video and keyframe and all that. So I'm gonna wrap like this, but just know the good side should be facing down. Then, to make sure you're not wasting paper, you want to measure it off to one side. So here I'm doing this side, and you want to make sure that this comes up a little over halfway on the side of the box. So that'll make sure everything covers so that you're not like wasting a ton of paper, because you can actually cut it here and perhaps use this paper for something else. You want to measure a little over halfway here. I do like to cut the paper on the side to make sure all is good, so that we're getting something going here. Mind you, you haven't even cut this top piece yet. You're just taping here, like you're taping before you've even done that. You want to take your tape. I use Scotch tape, and so you just want to tape twice on here. You can do 3 times depending on how long the present is. Try to avoid taping everything. You want to take the present and push it up against that paper so you're getting a nice crisp edge. To really emphasize that edge, you can actually push down on the paper to kind of crease it, and that really makes it look fresh. You see you have these 2 little flaps. I used to do one side before the other, but now I actually do one side before the other instead of one side before the other, if that makes sense. You're pushing this all the way back, and then you're folding in so that this is like as flush as this can be here. Folding, and then you want to first flatten out the bottom, and then you want to crisp up the top. So see, this lies flush here, this is tight, and this is tight. So now we've done this to both sides. We're going to go back over and cut the paper. Honestly, my cuts usually suck, especially if my scissors aren't sharp. These are just kitchen scissors, and I can show you guys how to fix that. I'm just cutting off end piece here. Also, obvious tip, but I'll say it, it's much easier to wrap on a hard surface than carpet. I'm just working with what I have here. You just want to fold the edge here in a straight line. This is going to give you that crisp edge going to show on your present, because here it doesn't really matter if this is like super perfect because it's going to get covered. Here you really want to make sure that looks crisp, and that's really going to make it pop. You're going to push this in again, fold this over. I'm going to do 2 here because this is what you actually see, but you want to make sure that edge is like super tight. Then you're going to flip it to this side, and I just like to once again crease it down the side like that. It's much easier to show you guys this side because the side's nice and flat, but this is what it ends up looking like when it's done. You want to fold in the other side like you did before, and then see how you start to have that edge created. You want to fold it across the seams. You want to fold the bottom up. I don't tape it, I just like kind of fold it there, and then you want to fold the top down. You can also decide to fold this in if you want a really straight edge, but this already has a straight edge, so I think it's fine. Bottom up and the top down. And then you want to pull that tight once again. Grab your tape and tape 1 piece of tape. That's the key to making it look not messy. So then you want to go around the top and just make sure those edges are well defined. And this is what the gift ends up looking like. Really clean, very simple. These are the most satisfying things to wrap, like squares or rectangles like this. Okay, so I found some more ribbon options that might be a bit better. Something like this is a great option if you want some texture. You can layer this, or if you want it to be more rustic, you could do it just like this. You could have something like that. What I want to show you guys is this white ribbon. It's pretty thick. Not as thick as the one we used at work, but this is the thickest one we have. So what you want to do is, to not waste ribbon, I just put it around the middle here, and you can turn it so that if you want it to go down, you can face the ribbon down. If you want it to go this way or that way, you can face whatever way you want. Just to pop in with my professional opinion that I didn't mention here, you should never have the bow facing towards either side of the seams because it draws more attention to those. So make sure that your bow is either facing the top of the bottom of the present where you have a clean edge, or before you put the ribbon, the best practice is to put the ribbon over top the seams, so then it's not only facing away from the seams, but it also kind of covers it too. You want to make sure the shiny side of your ribbon is facing up, so that means that when you're pulling it up like this, it should be not facing towards you. This is kind of how you can determine which way you want your bow to go. I want it to go towards me, so I put my own finger down. Then I bring this over here and loop it underneath this one. I just like kind of fiddle with it until it's down, and then I grab my thumb and just kind of switch my finger and wiggle it down until I can knot it like that. And it's tight, but it's still, you can fit like a finger or two underneath. I have the ugly side facing up over here and the pretty side facing up over here. So what you want to do is put your finger here and loop it around so that the pretty side is facing up, and then wrap around, or however you tie your bow. You just want to make sure the pretty sides are facing up. Tie your bow slowly so that you can get that middle section to look straight. So I like to fluff my bow like this, and obviously make sure both sides are even. I like to make sure that it has like volume. Now the key to getting the perfect bow is cutting the ends of the ribbon. The way that you do this is you grab the ends, you fold it in half, and you take your scissors and you cut up. Now this, I don't know how this is gonna go because these scissors suck. Not meant for this, so maybe sharpen your scissors, but that's the gist. It looks good from afar. That is what that looks like. Definitely my favorite part of Christmas is wrapping presents. I just love it, especially with like a Christmas movie on in the background, and my mom and I usually like drink hot cocoa or wine or something like that. It's super fun. But yeah, I don't think I'm actually gonna wrap any more presents tonight. I asked my mom if she would wrap presents with me tonight, and she looked at me like I was crazy. I think I'm probably gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this like super random vlog slash also the wrapping segment. Like, okay, I honestly have a lot of like wrapping tips. Very niche part of me, but I just love to wrap, and I've done it for a couple years now. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new, subscribe down below. I have my final vlogmas video coming out on Friday. That's a what I got for Christmas video, and I'm super excited about that, and to watch everyone else's. I just love those videos. Yeah, that's all for me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.